Hey everyone, and welcome to the third video in this series of getting started with HTML5. In this video we're going to be looking at hyperlinks. So you've all seen hyperlinks before, or anchor elements as they're also called. They're basically elements which when you click them they take you to another page or another website or another resource or anything like that. So to make a hyperlink you just use the A tag like that. You can put content in the middle which you would like to display to the user, like that. And as you'll see, you can't yet click the hyperlink, it does nothing. So we need to specify a path where we want this to take the user. So we do that with the href attribute. And you can put either a relative path or an absolute path in here. So you could put path to Google, click it. Yeah, there it goes. So, yep. You can also put a relative path of somewhere either in the same directory. So on my desktop, I've got an image called background.png from another tutorial I made earlier. So now if I refresh here and click that, it goes to this image, which is a background image. You can put the title attribute in here as well if you'd like something to appear to the user while they hover over it. I can't actually show you the title attributes on here though because Cam Studio won't let me hover over anything, but when you hover here the title will appear. And this content here where you've currently got click me, you can put anything in here. So you could put a H2 tag in there. I'm going to show you in a minute how to put an image in there, but just as proof of concept, here's a H2 in there. So next I'm going to show you how to add images into your web page. So now we're going to insert an image into our web page. So this is pretty similar to the A tag, only you use the img tag like that, and you specify the source of the image with the src. And the source of the image can be same with the A tag, either relative or absolute. So in this case I'm going to find an image on my desktop. Yeah. And I'll save that and come to our browser, and we should now see that we've got an image inserted into our web page. And another tag you need in all imager tags is the alternative text tag, which is ALT. And what this does is it's a very short description of what the image is of. And why we need that is for people with screen readers. And it's the first reason. The second reason is if the image fails to load. And the third reason is for text-only browsers. Sorry, mine went blank. So if you just loaded it like that, we'll see no difference with the title. But if the image was failed to load like this, oh, it hasn't shown up. Okay, it doesn't show up in Chrome, but often when the image fails to load, it'll then say the description of the image instead. Another two attributes you can use on your image, I'll show you in a minute actually. But it's worth noting you can also use web addresses as an image. So there's a super long one. This is a photo I took yesterday, but you'll see that this image is now much longer than we wanted. So you can also use the width attribute. And set it to like say 100. And then that'll be much smaller. Same goes for the height attribute as well, you can use. Right, and so we've seen hyperlinks and we've seen images. But another thing you can do is put an image inside a hyperlink. So I'll just indent that to make it look a little bit neater, easier to read, like that. So now you see that our image becomes clickable, and if we click it, it goes to the path of our hyperlink. So yeah, that's all for this tutorial. I hope that was clear enough. Thanks for watching.